first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Gimel, verses 17 to 24, Daleth, verses 25 to 32, He, verses 33 to 40, Vav, verses 41 to 48, Zayin, verses 49 to 56, Heth, verses 57 to 64, Teth, verses 65 to 72, Yod, verses 73 to 80, Cap, verses 81 to 88, Lamed, verses 89 to 96, Mem, verses 97 to 104, and Nun, verses 105 to 112. Gimel 17, do good to your servant. I will live and I will obey your word. 18, open my eyes, that I may see wondrous things out of your law. 19, I am a stranger on the earth. Don't hide your commandments from me. 20, my soul is consumed with longing for your ordinances at all times. 21, you have rebuked the proud who are cursed, who wander from your commandments. 22, take reproach and contempt away from me, for I have kept your statutes. 23, though princes sit and slander me, your servant will meditate on your statutes. 24, indeed, your statutes are my delight and my counselors. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Daleth, verses 25 to 32, Daleth 25, my soul is laid low in the dust. Revive me according to your word. 26, I declared my ways, and you answered me. Teach me your statutes. 27, let me understand the teaching of your precepts. Then I will meditate on your wondrous works. 28, my soul is weary with sorrow. Strengthen me according to your word. 29, keep me from the way of deceit. Grant me your law graciously. 30, I have chosen the way of truth. I have set your ordinances before me. 31, I cling to your statutes, Lord. Don't let me be disappointed. 32, I run in the path of your commandments, for you have set my heart free. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, He, verses 33 to 40, He, 33, teach me, Lord, the way of your statutes. I will keep them to the end. 34, give me understanding, and I will keep your law. Yes, I will obey it with my whole heart. 35, direct me in the path of your commandments, for I delight in them. 36, turn my heart toward your statutes, not toward selfish gain. 37, turn my eyes away from looking at worthless things. Revive me in your ways. 38, fulfill your promise to your servant, that you may be feared. 39, take away my disgrace that I dread, for your ordinances are good. 40, behold, I long for your precepts. Revive me in your righteousness. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Vav, verses 41 to 48. Vav 41, let your loving kindness also come to me, Lord, your salvation, according to your word. 42, so I will have an answer for him who reproaches me, for I trust in your word. 43, don't snatch the word of truth out of my mouth, for I put my hope in your ordinances. 44, so I will obey your law continually forever and ever. 45, I will walk in liberty, for I have sought your precepts. 46, I will also speak of your statutes before kings, and will not be disappointed. 47, I will delight myself in your commandments, because I love them. 48, I reach out my hands for your commandments, which I love. I will meditate on your statutes. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Zayin, verses 49 to 56, Zayin 49, remember your word to your servant, because you gave me hope. 50, this is my comfort in my affliction, for your word has revived me. 51, the arrogant mock me excessively, but I don't swerve from your law. 52, I remember your ordinances of old, Lord, and have comforted myself. 53, indignation has taken hold on me because of the wicked who forsake your law. 54, your statutes have been my songs in the house where I live. 55, I have remembered your name, Lord, in the night, and I obey your law. 56, this is my way, that I keep your precepts. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Heth, verses 57 to 64, Heth 57, the Lord is my portion. I promise to obey your words. 58, I sought your favor with my whole heart. Be merciful to me according to your word. 59, I considered my ways, and turned my steps to your statutes. 60, I will hurry and not delay to obey your commandments. 61, the ropes of the wicked bind me, but I won't forget your law. 62, at midnight I will rise to give thanks to you because of your righteous ordinances. 63, I am a friend of all those who fear you, of those who observe your precepts. 64, the earth is full of your loving kindness, Lord. Teach me your statutes. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Teth, verses 65 to 72. Teth 65, you have treated your servant well according to your word, Lord. 66, teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I believe in your commandments. 67, before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I observe your word. 68, you are good and do good. Teach me your statutes. 69, the proud have smeared a lie upon me, With my whole heart I will keep your precepts. 70 Their heart is as callous as the fat, but I delight in your law. 71 It is good for me that I have been afflicted, that I may learn your statutes. 70 To the law of your mouth is better to me than thousands of pieces of gold and silver. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Yod verses 73 to 80. Yod 73 Your hands have made me and formed me. Give me understanding, that I may learn your commandments. 70 For those who fear you will see me and be glad, because I have put my hope in your word. 75 Lord, I know that your judgments are righteous, that in faithfulness you have afflicted me. 76 Please let your loving kindness be for my comfort, according to your word to your servant. 77 Let your tender mercies come to me, that I may live. For your law is my delight. 78 Let the proud be disappointed, for they have overthrown me wrongfully. I will meditate on your precepts. 79 Let those who fear you turn to me. They will know your statutes. 80 Let my heart be blameless toward your decrees, that I may not be disappointed. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, cap verses 81 to 88. Cap 81 My soul faints for your salvation. I hope in your word. 82 My eyes fail for your word. I say, when will you comfort me? 83 For I have become like a wineskin in the smoke. I don't forget your statutes. 84 How many are the days of your servant? When will you execute judgment on those who persecute me? 85 The proud have dug pits for me, contrary to your law. 86 All of your commandments are faithful. They persecute me wrongfully. Help me. 87 They had almost wiped me from the earth, but I didn't forsake your precepts. 88 Preserve my life according to your loving kindness, so I will obey the statutes of your mouth. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Lamed verses 89 to 96. Lamed 89 Lord, your word is settled in heaven forever. 90 Your faithfulness is to all generations. You have established the earth, and it remains. 91 Your laws remain to this day, for all things serve you. 92 Unless your law had been my delight, I would have perished in my affliction. 93 I will never forget your precepts, for with them you have revived me. 94 I am yours. Save me, for I have sought your precepts. 95 The wicked have waited for me to destroy me. I will consider your statutes. 96 I have seen a limit to all perfection, but your commands are boundless. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Mem verses 97 to 104. Mem 97 How I love your law. It is my meditation all day. 98 Your commandments make me wiser than my enemies, for your commandments are always with me. 99 I have more understanding than all my teachers, for your testimonies are my meditation. 100 I understand more than the aged, because I have kept your precepts. 101 I have kept my feet from every evil way, that I might observe your word. 102 I have not turned away from your ordinances, for you have taught me. 103 How sweet are your promises to my taste, more than honey to my mouth. 104 Through your precepts I get understanding. Therefore I hate every false way. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Nun verses 105 to 112. Nun 105 Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light for my path. 106 I have sworn and have confirmed it, that I will obey your righteous ordinances. 107 I am afflicted very much. Revive me, Lord, according to your word. 108 Accept, I beg you, the willing offerings of my mouth. Lord, teach me your ordinances. 109 My soul is continually in my hand, yet I won't forget your law. 110 The wicked have laid a snare for me, yet I haven't gone astray from your precepts. 111 I have taken your testimonies as a heritage forever, for they are the joy of my heart. 112 I have set my heart to perform your statutes forever, even to the end. The first book of Psalms, chapter 119, Gimel verses 17 to 24, Daleth verses 25 to 32, He verses 33 to 40, Vav verses 41 to 48, Zayin verses 49 to 56, Heth verses 57 to 64, Teth verses 65. 272, Yod verses 73 to 80, Cap verses 81 to 88, Lamed verses 89 to 96, Mem verses 97 to 104, and Nun verses 105 to 112. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.